Your AI strategy has an unaddressed problem. You've been optimizing your content for humans clicking forms, but the buyers researching your category right now will soon be sending AI agents to do that work for them. Welcome to IGC Global News. I'm Steve Gershik, B2B marketing expert, speaking to you from Silicon Valley in California. Forrester used B2B Summit 2026 to make an explicit call. Stop pursuing the marketing qualified lead. The buyer engagement metrics most teams still rely on are no longer reliable indications of performance in AI-driven buying. Forrester is now telling B2B vendors to do something genuinely new. Treat buyer agents as members of the buying group. Provide them with well-structured content directly. Design content for humans, buyer agents, and answer engines simultaneously. Now, this is a significant reframe. For more than 20 years, B2B marketing has been structured to capture form fills, scoring lead behavior, and routing MQLs to sales. Forrester now calls this approach insufficient for the AI era. The replacement is what they call return on objective, or ROO. Tie metrics directly to customer goals, replacing vendor activity counts such as likes or opens or page views. Now, for enterprise marketing teams across global markets, this raises three urgent questions. Number one, what does your content look like to an AI answer engine? Number two, who in your buying network is now a machine? And number three, what replaces the MQL as a signal for intent in your marketing funnel? In the full IGC video, we analyze what ends, what replaces it, and how to start preparing your content and measurement systems for buyer agents. Link is below.